everybody, it's your friendly librarian Hillary here again. Just checking in with you all. I hope you enjoyed the little escape room in the library the other day. I just wanted to talk about a couple of things, bring a couple of things to your attention. The first one is the importance of starting on your research early when you're doing library research. There are numerous reasons for this. Probably the most obvious is if you wait until the last minute, you might not be able to get what you need, right? Whatever book you want, someone else might have checked it out of the library. Whatever article you want, you might need to ILL it and, potentially wait a day or two for it to come. Also, by beginning your research early, if there are references that are cited in your sources, then you can go track those down too, and you have the actual time to do that rather than just getting potluck and using whatever happens to be available to you. You'll write better papers that way. The other thing I wanted to mention was, I was looking at the little escape room and none of the people in the pictures are wearing masks, right? Because this was from those heady days before COVID when we didn't have to wear masks all the time. Made me a little wistful. But I wanted to make sure that you guys know that masks are required in the library and not just required when you're walking around or when you're within 6 feet of other people. Even when you have yourself plunked out on a table and there's nobody very close to you, you need to wear a mask at all times. That's just kind of the rule in the library. So please be aware of that. Now, if campus has to go all online again anytime soon, I'd encourage you to check out the COVID-19 guide that's linked from the tutorial that you did for me. But also if you just look on the library website, it is, or not the library website, but the library tab of My Red Dragon, it will be updated with the most current information about what's happening with curbside pickup or other sorts of things. So, yeah, good luck with the rest of the semester. Have fun. Be sure to reach out to me or any other librarian if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.